Building theory from and for practice. For the reflective practitioner is a process of personal theory building. The aims of theory building are essentially about explanation and prediction, explaining things which are experienced, which are occurring in the classroom. For example, what produces bad behaviour in the classroom, and making predictions in relation to the teaching that we're engaged with. If we do action A, what will be the result B? And so theory building for the reflective practitioner is an attempt to construct and also evaluate statements, explanatory statements about what we're experiencing and what is going on around us. And we can think of some very simple and perhaps common sense examples of this. For example, punishment deters bad behaviour. This is an example of explanatory exploration which we're attempting to define. Or, for example, improved teaching increases student achievement. Again, another common sense example which helps us understand the process of personal theory building. Yes, we can say that improved teaching improves student achievement, but the question for the individual reflective practitioner is, how do they improve their teaching in order to improve achievement? And for the reflective practitioner then, theory building can occur at one of two different levels. It can be at a very abstract level, where the ideas are abstracted in order to come to terms with them. We're working with concepts around understanding. But theory building can also occur at the empirical level, or in other words, experience of reality. And these two levels can interact with one another for the reflective practitioner as part of the theory building process. There are, of course, issues that we can consider in terms of personal theory development. The most significant is that people will tend not to change their beliefs very easily unless there are opportunities to really critically reflect on them and understand how they need to change and why they need to change. We tend to hold on to our values and beliefs very strongly until we're forced by common sense, by knowledge, in order to change them. Another issue around personal theory building is that the intention to learn for the reflective practitioner comes from particular problems or issues which are being experienced, and it's the desire to change practice to deal with that problem or experience, or to remain up to date in terms of knowledge and skills, which is significant in terms of theory building. And the intention to learn is essential to this process because it is a recurring process. It's recursive, and it is not something which is just going to happen one time and then stop. For the reflective practitioner, theory building is ongoing and is ever changing, ever evolving, and therefore an issue for the reflective practitioner is that there should always be an intention to learn and develop so that theory can actually be built.